The iPhone 16 Pro is here, and with it come a few key changes that are worth noting. This review will break down everything you need to know about Apple's latest smartphone. Whether you're thinking about upgrading or just curious about what's new, this article will give you a full look at what the iPhone 16 Pro offers. Camera improvements. One of the main areas of focus for the iPhone 16 Pro is its camera. Apple has made a few updates to enhance how you take and edit photos. One of the new features is the ability to control the color tone. This means you can adjust how your photos look after you've taken them. The iPhone 16 Pro lets you tweak things like brightness and color saturation, which is great for people who want more control over their photography. Although the camera doesn't have a massive overhaul compared to the previous models, these small changes make a noticeable difference. If you're someone who enjoys taking pictures, these updates will make your photos look even better. The camera button. Apple has introduced a new button dedicated to controlling the camera. This button allows users to quickly access camera settings and take photos. However, it's not perfect just yet. The feature still needs some improvements and refinements, which will likely come with future updates. For now, it's a nice addition, but it doesn't work flawlessly. The new camera button is especially useful for people who love taking pictures on the go. It's convenient and allows you to snap photos faster than before. While it could use some improvements, it's still a helpful feature that adds to the overall experience of using the iPhone 16 Pro. Design and display. When it comes to design, the iPhone 16 Pro keeps much of the sleek and modern look that iPhones are known for. However, one of the most noticeable changes is in the screen. The display is now brighter than ever before, which makes everything look crisp and vibrant. Whether you're watching a video, browsing the web, or simply looking at your photos, the display quality is top-notch. If you're someone who prefers larger screens, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will catch your attention. The screen is even bigger in this model, making it the largest iPhone display yet. This is great for people who enjoy watching movies or gaming on their phones. The bigger screen provides more space for everything, giving users a better viewing experience. Software, iOS 18. The iPhone 16 Pro comes with iOS 18, the latest operating system from Apple. iOS 18 brings several new features and customization options. One of the biggest changes is how much control you have over your home screen and control center. Users can now customize their screens to better suit their preferences. Whether you want more widgets or a cleaner, simpler layout, iOS 18 lets you personalize your device in ways that weren't possible before. Another big feature of iOS 18 is how easy it is to use. The operating system feels smooth and fast, making it easier for users to switch between apps or perform tasks quickly. Whether you're a longtime iPhone user or someone new to Apple products, you'll find that iOS 18 is designed to make the experience as simple as possible. Battery life. A key factor for any smartphone is battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro does well in this area, offering a decent battery that will last you through a good part of the day. However, like with most smartphones, the battery performance can decline over time. As you use your phone more, you might notice that the battery doesn't last as long as it used to. For now, though, the iPhone 16 Pro's battery should be sufficient for most users. Whether you're using your phone for work, gaming, or simply browsing, the battery will hold up. Just keep in mind that heavy users might need to charge their phones more frequently as time goes on. Pricing. If you're considering upgrading to the iPhone 16 Pro, it's essential to know the pricing. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999 for the 128GB model, making it a competitive option for those looking for a high-end smartphone. For those who want the larger display and more storage, the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,199 for the 256GB model. Both options are priced similarly to previous iPhone models but offer several upgrades that may justify the price. Final thoughts. The iPhone 16 Pro brings a few interesting updates, but it's important to note that many of these changes are incremental. If you're already using an iPhone 15 Pro, the upgrades may not feel groundbreaking. However, if you're coming from an older model or looking for a more polished experience, the iPhone 16 Pro is a solid choice. The camera improvements, while subtle, make a difference in how your photos turn out. The new camera button is a nice addition, though it still needs some refinement. The brighter display and larger screen on the Pro Max model are perfect for people who want a bigger and clearer viewing experience. With iOS 18, Apple has made customization easier than ever. The operating system is smooth, fast, and easy to use. Battery life is decent, but heavy users should be aware that the battery may degrade over time. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro is a great phone that delivers on what you'd expect from Apple. While it's not a massive leap forward, it's definitely an upgrade worth considering, especially if you enjoy taking photos, using a bright display, and customizing your phone's interface. If you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable and high-quality smartphone, the iPhone 16 Pro is a solid option that should meet your needs. With Apple's continued commitment to quality and user experience, the iPhone 16 Pro is another excellent addition to their lineup.